Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use Google Classroom through the web browser. During coronavirus and even after that, a lot of students have switched physical learning to online modes, and Google Classroom is the best app to use because it is safe, secure and free. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Now without wasting a minute, let's get started. Open your Google Classroom from the web browser and click on the sign in at the top right of your screen. After that, click on Google Classroom. From this page, enter your email address that has never been signed in before in Google Classroom. After entering the mail address, click on the next tab. Enter your password of the email address. Click on the next tab. Hold on a second, and as you see the screen, Google Classroom will directly connect with your email address as you click on continue. This is your Google Classroom page through the browser. You can either create a class or join a class. You can see different options and take benefit of all the options in Google Classroom for free. Enjoy studying from Google Classroom. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Also, if you have any suggestions, queries, or feedbacks, do not forget to mention it down at the comment section. We'll make sure to reply each and every one of you. Thank you.